Artificial intelligence is a compelling technology with the potential to revolutionize our lives and tackle some of society's most pressing challenges. In this video, we'll explore various AI tools on the market designed to empower small businesses to thrive. Whether you're looking to create a standout marketing campaign or streamline operations within your company, many AI tools are available to help small business owners and managers enhance their operations. So, let's get started. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a highly advanced AI language model created by OpenAI. It's part of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer family, and is designed to generate natural language responses during conversations. However, it can also be integrated into websites and applications through an API to improve customer service and boost worker efficiency. Almost every department in any organization can benefit from using ChatGPT. You can employ it as a chatbot to manage tasks such as handling customer inquiries, assisting with employee training, and more. Sales and marketing teams can utilize it for tasks like analyzing customer feedback, crafting campaign messages, identifying potential leads, and suggesting products to customers. While ChatGPT is user-friendly, mastering it takes some time and dedication, but the effort is worthwhile. Numerous free online resources, including ChatGPT itself, can assist you in becoming proficient with prompts and maximizing its capabilities. Competitors to ChatGPT include Bard, UChat, and Hugging Chat. Number 2. Apollo.io. Apollo.io is a platform designed to help businesses improve their sales efforts and engage with customers more effectively. It offers various features to streamline processes and enhance interactions throughout the sales cycle. The ability to enhance CRM, customer relationship management systems, by adding contact data. This data comes from a vast database. The platform also offers tools to analyze recorded sales conversations. It can transcribe these conversations, extract valuable insights, and summarize critical points like next steps, objections, and action items. This helps sales teams optimize their strategies and improve performance. Users can create email templates for outreach, follow-ups, and final pitches. The AI then personalizes these emails based on the recipient, increasing the chances of engagement. AI conversation tool provides insights that can be used to craft personalized follow-up emails. This ensures that communication with prospects remains relevant and practical, helping to move deals forward. Apollo.io offers a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to streamline their sales processes, engage with customers more efficiently, and ultimately drive success. Adopting the power of AI provides valuable insights and automation to enhance sales efforts and improve outcomes. Number 3. DALL-E, created by OpenAI, builds upon the technology behind ChatGPT to bring AI into the visual realm. Instead of generating text-based responses, it also can edit and enhance existing images. Users can receive a modified image based on their input by providing it with both an image and textual instructions. Moreover, users can specify particular areas within an image for alterations, a process known as in-painting. This technology has numerous applications across creative and practical fields. In graphic design, DALL-E can produce distinctive visuals tailored for marketing campaigns, website designs, and artistic endeavors. Additionally, it can streamline content creation by generating relevant images for articles, presentations, and social media posts based on written content. Several competitors exist in this space, such as Midjourney, Crayon, and Stable Diffusion. Each platform offers similar capabilities for generating and manipulating images through AI technology. Its ability to interpret textual prompts and translate them into images opens up new possibilities for artists, designers, and content creators alike. Number 4. Duet AI for Google Workspace. Duet AI for Google Workspace is a helpful tool designed to enhance the experience of remote meetings. It offers a range of features to improve participants' audio and visual quality and aid in communication and productivity. One critical function of Duet AI is to enhance the audio and visual aspects of meetings. It uses artificial intelligence to create a professional studio-like environment for all participants, ensuring everyone can be seen and heard clearly. Additionally, if multiple people use the same webcam, Duet AI employs facial recognition technology to distinguish between individuals and display them in separate boxes on the screen. Moreover, Duet AI offers translation capabilities, providing captions in 18 languages to facilitate communication among participants who speak different languages. This ensures that everyone can understand and participate in the meeting effectively. Regarding productivity, Duet AI is equipped with features to streamline meeting processes. It automatically transcribes and summarizes meetings, allowing participants to review key points discussed easily. Additionally, it captures video snippets in real time, enabling users to revisit essential moments from the meeting. For latecomers, Duet AI provides a summary so far, giving them a quick overview of what has already been discussed so they can catch up quickly. Furthermore, the Attend for Me feature allows users to delegate their presence in the meeting to Duet AI, which can deliver messages on their behalf and provide a recap of the meeting's proceedings once it concludes. Duet AI for Google Workspace offers a comprehensive set of tools to enhance remote meetings, improve communication, and boost participants' productivity. Number 5. Qualifier.ai. Finding suitable leads for your business can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. It's like having a super-sensitive metal detector. Instead of spending endless hours searching for potential customers, gathering their contact details, and sending out emails individually, using Qualifier.ai is straightforward for users. Sales representatives provide the platform with specific criteria such as the industry, job title, location, and company size of the desired prospects. It even sends out emails to these prospects automatically. If a prospect doesn't respond, Qualifier.ai follows up on your behalf, saving sales teams time and effort. Automating tasks like prospect identification and outreach allows sales reps to focus on building relationships and closing deals rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. Qualifier.ai is a valuable tool for businesses looking to boost their sales efforts and connect with the right prospects effectively and efficiently. With its user-friendly interface and automated features, it's like having a reliable assistant to help navigate the complex world of lead generation. Exploring advanced business technologies brings numerous benefits. First, it enhances efficiency by automating tasks and reducing manual workload. For instance, AI-powered tools like ChatGPT handle customer inquiries swiftly, saving time for employees to focus on other crucial activities. Second, it improves communication within the business. Tools like Duet AI for Google Workspace ensure clear and organized remote meetings, allowing all participants to be seen and heard clearly, regardless of location. Third, it boosts productivity by streamlining processes such as lead generation. We've explored various advanced AI technologies and tools designed to enhance business operations. From AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT to visual creation platforms like DALL-E, these innovations offer exciting opportunities for businesses to improve productivity, communication, and customer engagement. As businesses continue to adopt these technologies, it's essential to remember that while they can simplify tasks and increase productivity, they should always be used thoughtfully and ethically. By leveraging these tools responsibly, businesses can unlock their full potential and stay ahead in today's rapidly evolving digital landscape. We hope you found this discussion on AI technologies and tools informative and insightful. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest trends and innovations in the AI world, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new content. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and innovating.